Hello there. BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. People keep saying Bitcoin is crashing, but that's not what's happening. And if you are new to Bitcoin, this is exactly the moment your fear kicks in. You see red candle, you hear panic on social media, and suddenly it feels like everything is falling apart. So today, I want to break this down clearly. No hype, no fear, just the truth about what's happening or what's going on. Because once you understand this, you will never look at this move the same way again. And when you are new, every drop feels like a crash. Why? Because you're new. Price move fast, structure move slowly, and structure always tell the story or the real story. Most beginners only see the surface, the volatility, the red candle. They see headlines. But Bitcoin has been doing this for 15 years now. And every time the pattern is the same. A real crash is when demand disappears, liquidity dries up, long-term holder panic, and the structure breaks. The trend reversed completely. But that wasn't the case, right? That's not what's happening right now. What we are seeing is normal volatility inside a larger structure. It feels dramatic, but structurally it's completely normal. Now, here is the truth. Bitcoin is in a phase where weak hand get shaken up, leverage get wiped out, short-term trader panic, long-term holders accumulate. The structure reset before the next move. This is not a crash. This is a reset. And resets are healthy. They cleaned up the market. They remove excess leverage. They prepare the next leg of the cycle. This is how Bitcoin has always behaved. If you want to understand Bitcoin, stop watching the red candle. Stop watching the behavior. Ask yourself, are you a long-term holder or a long-term holder selling? Are miners capitulating? Is the price of supply increasing or decreasing? Is demand collapsing or cooling? Is long-term structure broken? No. Right now, none of the major structures signal shows a real crash. The behavior is consistent with normal correction, not a collapse. The bigger danger for beginners isn't the price, it's emotion. Okay? Fear makes you zoom in. Structure requires you to zoom out. And when you zoom out, you see the pattern more clearly. Bitcoin rises, Bitcoin corrects, people panic, Bitcoin continues its long-term trend. The cycle has repeated for over a decade now. So the next time someone said Bitcoin is crashing, remember this. A clash is when the structure breaks. A correction is when emotion breaks. So right now, the structure is intact, only emotions are shaking. And if you understand the difference, you will stop reacting to noises and start seeing the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is clearly the structure is intact, just move slower. The volatility, red candles, and noises are just passing cloud that affects your emotion momentarily. We are sustained by the fact that Bitcoin structure has never broken for the last 16 years now. And there's no reason why it should be down, especially when the decentralized blockchain getting more and more robust and secure as years goes by. Just one simple fact: Bitcoin has never been manipulated or hacked for more than 16 years now. Tell me, which system in the world did not get hacked before? Right? Bank America was hacked. Even Pentagon, the Ministry of Defense, have been hacked. So is NATO. Look at the history. Okay? Ask AI. All right. So why? Because Bitcoin, because they are centralized system, managed and controlled by someone. Where human is concerned, anything can happen. Bitcoin is not controlled by anyone at all. Hope this logical explanation give you some consolation, and look forward to the next Bitcoin trend. Okay? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.